going to explore the fascinating world of animal cells. Cells are the basic building block of all living organisms. They carry vital processes that keep life going. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells, which means they have well defined nucleus and each organelle perform specific functions. Understanding this structure, we can appreciate how our bodies and all animals functions efficiently. In this video, we are going to explore each organelle one by one and understand how these structures helps cell functioning, grow and all essential processes. Let's take a closer look into a structure of typical animal cells and understand the function of its major parts.
Animal cells. Animal cells make up tissue, tissue to organ to organ system, and finally to our organism. Each cell has specific function depending on which organ system it belongs to. An animal cell is an eukaryotic cell. DNA is stored in the nucleus. The major components in the structure of animal cell include nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, cytoplasm, lysosome, and Golgi apparatus. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is a thin, flexible layer that surrounds the cell. Substances enter and leave the cell through cell membrane. The cell membrane does not allow all substance to pass through. Therefore, the plasma membrane is known as semi-permeable membrane. Cytoplasm. A jelly-like fluid that fills the cell. It maintains all the organelles in their place and serves as the medium for chemical reactions. Nucleus. Nucleus is the center that controls the cell. DNA is stored in the nucleus. DNA is made up of genes which holds genetic information where animals reproduce the genetic material pass on to the young. This reason baby animals have same characteristics. Mitochondria. They are spherical or rod-shaped organelles with a double membrane. They are powerhouse of a cell. They play an important role in releasing energy. Next is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum in animal cell is a network of membrane in the cytoplasm that performs key roles in protein and lipid synthesis and the transport of biomolecules. It exists in two forms, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum started with ribosome and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is lack ribosome. And the rough endoplasmic reticulum's function is protein synthesis. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, a flat, smooth-layered sac-like organelles which is located near the nucleus and involved in manufacturing, storing, packing, and transporting substances throughout the cell. Ribosome. They are small organelles made up of RNA-rich cytoplasmic granules and they are the site of protein synthesis. Lysosomes. They are round organelles surrounded by a cell membrane and comprising digestive enzymes which help in digestion, excretion, and in cell renewal process.
To sum up, animal cells are highly organized structure with each organelle perform specific function that contribute overall survival and functioning of the cell. Understanding the structure and functioning of each organelle not only give insight how animals live and grow, but also to understand the foundations of biology at deeper levels. Remember, cell is not just a building block of life, it is a miniature world in itself.